Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make gobi manchuri. You can see how I have chopped the flour, gobi flour. You can see cauliflower, single I have taken out, and now I have taken hot water which is really hot, and I am going to put this flour into this. Why? Because we have to clean this in hot water so that all the worms which are transparent will come out, and above that you have to put little salt. Friends, you can see I have taken crystal salt, and now I am putting on upon this. Why? Because the hidden worms will come out. Yes, for few seconds I will just dip inside and I leave them. It is really hot, water is really hot. Till that time I will show you how.
Batter, taking maida and corn flour and pinch of red color, salt. Only three things you have to make batter in which you can dip and you can fry.
Maida and then corn flour. Equal one small bowl, and then I have added little pinch of turmeric, and then little color, and then I have added even 1 spoon of chili powder. I have added salt also per taste, and then I have taken, you can see how it is, I have mixed it finely, and you can see the consistency. It has to be a bit thick so that when we dip this cauliflower it should get, stick to that out. And then I'm going to
Which we have
dip.
already mixed and kept it for dipping and frying.
You can see the consistency is thick. I will tell you again: 1 small bowl of maida, 1 small bowl of corn flour with color, red color I have added, little pinch of turmeric, and teaspoon of chili powder. So this is how we have mixed, and it is very thick. The consistency has to be this much. Only we have to take this. It's very hot. You can see how the flowers look. Single I have taken out, I have cut it. We have to dip and then fry. I will show you how to do. Once you fry, we have to do the salt. I'll show you all the things. Friends, you can see I have added a little rice flour into this so that it can become crispy and crunchy. So I'm mixing it again to let it get this, become this thick. And the other side you can see how it is getting fried. I have kept it on a high flame itself, and you can see how it is becoming red in color. Single. Once I fry all the things, I will show you. See how I'm dipping this. Yes, just like your vada and pakoda, you have to dip and then you have to drop it into the oil till it become red in color. Let it fry. You can see single and dip it. Dip. You can see how thick it is, and now you can see single. It takes lot of patience, and your consistency should be very thick. When it gets fried, it gets crispy taste. See, this is how it should become red. I have added a rice flour only for the crispy taste. Friends, you can see I have fried, and how it looks. It looks yummy and crunchy in taste. Now we have to sort the masala. So I have kept oil. I have chopped capsicum, half capsicum, and 1 onion, very small pieces. And the other side I am chopping spring onions. These all things for salt. I am going to give the tadka with this, and I will show you how to give the tadka and final how to serve it. Friends, now you can see I have taken very little oil, and I have chopped onions and capsicum I have put into it. Let it become red in color, and I have taken half spoon of garlic paste. This is how we are going to give the salt for it. And I'm going to take 1 spoon of chili sauce, and 1 spoon of soya sauce. To give the tadka, it should become a little red. And now I have added chili sauce and soya sauce. You can see. So 2 to 3 spoon I have added. Now you can see I am adding chili sauce. Now you can see I'm adding tomato sauce. As ingredient is much, so I'm adding a little more so that it become very delicious. I have added spring onion also into this. You can see. Now keep it low flame. Let it get mixed well. Keep on stirring. And final touch sparkling of salt. And then finally, what you have made a crispy one plate of you are supposed to put it into this and rotate it. That's it. Friends, now you can see the fried pieces of cauliflower. I'm mixing into this the sauce which we have made it. This is how we are supposed to sort and mix. Yes, now we are going to mix it slowly. It is on low flame. When crispy cauliflowers mixed with the sauce of soya, chili, and spring onions, it gives you a delicious taste. And one more thing I'll tell you, the reason to dip in the boiling water the cauliflower and cutting single flower is that we can clean all the worms, and putting crystal salt is also very important. When we dip this and keep for our 5 to 10 minutes, all the worms will come out if it is hidden. And cutting single flower, that is very important. And your maida, corn flour, and a pinch of color. Yes, that consistency should be very thick and sticky. Then only it will stick when you are frying. See that the extras will drip out, and then you will put into oil. Final touch. Yes, your gobi manchuri is absolutely deliciously ready. Yummy. Friends, you can see how it looks. It is red, green, and the black is a bit soya sauce. It is absolutely delicious. I hope.
Do try and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Whole family can enjoy at home.